Hi friends, in today's class we are going to see about the introduction of embedded system. First let us see about what is system. A system is a arrangement in which all the units are assembled for working together according to the set of rules. For example, let us take time display unit. In the time display unit, all the units are assembled together in order to display the time. If one of the unit is failure means what will happen? The time will not be displayed. So here all the units are arranged together in order to show the time. So while coming to the embedded, it is combination of hardware and software, and it is designed to perform a specific task, and the task should be completed within a specified period of time. That is called embedded. So some of the examples for the embedded systems are smartphones, smartwatch, Google Glass, then digital camera, game console, then automobile, then aeroplanes and Mars rover. So most of the embedded system consists of the processor. It may be a microprocessor or microcontroller, or it may be a DSP processor. So as I already told, so these are the some of the example for the embedded system. Our micro oven, then washing machine, then car. The entire car is not embedded system. Some of the functions in the car is the intended to be a embedded system. That is automatic door locking, and while taking the reverse, the camera is opening. That is one type of embedded system. Then you're automatically locking the car door. That is one kind of embedded system, and it is alarming when you are not lock the windows or doors. That is one kind of embedded system. So these are the some of the example for the embedded system, and this all application consists of some of the hardware as well as the software. So the software is mainly dedicated for the real-time purpose. That is, this application dedicated for the specific task. That specific task should be completed within a specified period of time. So that specific period of time can be controlled by the software. So all the embedded system consist of microprocessor and microcontroller. So first let us see about what is microprocessor and what is microcontroller. Discuss about the difference between the processor and controller. So these are the some example or applications for the microprocessor. That is the web browsing, then photo editing, creating documents, mathematical calculation and simulations. So these are the microcontroller system, where here we are giving the input and the microcontroller is processing the data and it will produce the output. It is also designed to perform a specific. Some of the applications of the microcontroller are digital camera, washing machine, microwave oven. So this figure shows the architecture of microprocessor. Here there is a central processing unit and all other peripheral units are externally connected. So it depends on the application. We need to buy the random access memory and read-only memory, serial interface, input-output ports, timer, and we have to purchase separately according to our need, and we have to connect with the central processing unit. That is the microprocessor. And while coming to the microcontroller, it's like a single integrated chip. That is all the your CPU as well as all other peripheral system is integrated on the single chip. So it is designed for performing a specified task. So this is the specification of your microprocessor. Here the clock speed is 1 GHz to 4 GHz and the RAM size is 512 MB up to 32 GB, and the ROM size is 128 GB up to 2 TB, and the peripherals are USB and the interfaces the high speed Ethernet and while coming to the microcontroller, the clock speed is 1 MHz up to 300 MHz. So the RAM size is 2 KB, 2 KB to 256 KB, and the flash memory size is 32 KB to 2 MB, and the peripheral is I2C bus, and the interfaces are UART and SPI. So always we will use the microprocessor as 32-bit and 64-bit, while microcontroller we can use 8-bit, 16-bit and 2-bit. So these are the some of the main difference between your processor and controller. And the application wise, the microprocessor is dedicated for gaming, web browsing and document creation, etc. And microcontroller is dedicated for specific task. The internal structure of microprocessor is memory and input output device connected externally, but in the case of microcontroller it is all together connected on a single chip. The cost of the microprocessor is high and microcontroller is low. The power consumption of microprocessor is high because the RAM size is high. So here the power consumption is low, the RAM size is also low. So the storage capacity of microprocessor is high when compared to the microcontroller. Okay, the peripheral interfaces of microprocessors are USB, UART and high-speed Ethernet, while microcontroller is UART, I2C and SPI. Thank you.